Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your screen timeout to infinite using an app called Caffeine. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and search for an app called Caffeine. Like this. And now open this app, click on the install. And after it's done, select open. Now don't show again, go to timeout, and from here you can change it to whatever you like, but if you want infinite, make sure it's selected on this one. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.